she's in charge of commercial.
The good thing with partnering, rugby fans are loyal.
Those who are not.
The partnership worth close to 4 million shillings, 1.5 million shillings in cash, and they will be branded on Rhinos franchise, and the rest of the value in terms of connectivity, so the full value comes to around 4 million shillings. So we are proud of this partnership. Fiber came in last year during the Safari Sevens, and they have been supporting Kenya Rugby Union.
Our decision to sponsor rugby and KRU, in general, is we believe in team sports. One of the things that I think embodies our values is that the team is the core of whatever you deliver. Now we know rugby has a spectrum across all the age sets, and I think that is one of the attractions for sponsoring rugby.